Okay, this part of the video will focus on how to request the location permission from the user. So first of all, open a browser and search for view location aware app from Android developer. After that, we will use this as the main reference for this project. So go to the first part of the article, which is request location permission. So the thing we need to do is we need to include some of the setting or information inside the manifest folder. First of all, we will using the category of forecast location, which require us to enter the service information about the location, and also the permission for the courses location and also file location permission. So we will just click this button to copy the code and then go to your Android Studio, search for your manifest file, and then paste it under the application tag. And then we will remove the unnecessary syntax. So this one unnecessary. And then our location service or the project will be in the .min activity. So we change it to the .min activity. So, and then we're going to copy this location permission and then include it before the application tag. So we remove the unnecessary syntax first. Okay, so we have the courses and also the file location. So one more permission we're going to need is the forecast service. So you also need to include this forecast service permission. After that, go back to the website and then we look for the permission page. Request the location asset at runtime. So here they have give us the link on how to do the request app permission. So we click this link. So basically this is the workflow of requesting the permission. So if you go down, basically this is the workflow for requesting the permission. First, you need to declare the permission in the manifest. We have done it. And then the UI should be self-explanatory, meaning that when they open the user interface, somehow the user knows what kind of permission you're going to request from them. For example, the camera app, so they will request the camera permission. And then we wait for the user to request a specific action, meaning that maybe they click the button to call the phone or click the button to open the camera. So this is the time that the user requests a specific action. So after that, we check the permission is granted or not. If granted, then we just access the information we need. For our example, will be the location information. If the application had not yet get the permission, then we need to show the explanation to the user to explain why we're going to need this permission to run the app. So after display the explanation, then we request the permission again from the user. So if they decide to give the permission, then we can set the information. If decide still not to give us the permission, then we can run the function. So there is some important code that is inside the website. So this code snippet is for us to checking the permission is granted or not. So if the permission is granted, then we continue whatever we want to run the app. Otherwise, we need to request the permission from the user. And this code will be for us to request the permission from the user. So we copy first this code, then go to your Android Studio, open your main activity, and then we're going to paste the code at this page. So before we paste this, I would like to create a function first, which is call it permission request init. Somehow this is the initialization code for the permission request. So after that, we're going to move this variable as a global variable, and then you will still have few error here you want to fix. First is we need to import the library. So you just hop over the activity result launcher and then push alternate and enter together to import the class, import the library lah, meaning. And so that's for the request permission. So basically you are ready for the block of initialize the permission request. Next, we go back to the previous website and then copy this code and go back to the Android Studio. Again, I will make another function. I call it request permission. And then paste the code here. So we slowly modify the code. So this one we need to import context compact, and then we also need to import the Android manifest, also the package manager. So for the context is meaning that which activity is requesting the permission. So it's the main activity. And then what permission we want to request. So we're going to request the file location permission, and then this is unnecessary syntax, and this should be inside the activity compact dot show should request permission national. Alright, and then there is unnecessary syntax. We remove it first. So here again we pass two parameters. First parameter is the which activity is requesting the permission. Second one will be the permission you want to request. So I think I just copy and paste. And this is necessary, and this will be the same access file location. And there is a minor error here which we have the extra packet, so just remove it, and then everything got ready. So here we just get a toast message that showing that permission is granted. So post.make test. So main activity of this, the message will be location permission granted, then how long you want to show, length short, okay, and then show the post message. And for this, meaning that haven't granted. So after that, we're going to run the function in the onCreate function. So permission request init, request permission, and then let's try to run. So let's try to run the application. So there's some error here. So you check using the logcat, they're telling you that they have now put exception for the activity result launcher. So let's double check the activity launcher. So meaning that yeah, I haven't removed this should be removed, and then try again to run again. Alright, when you run the application, you see the request permission is running. So we have three actions here. Using the app on this time and do it now. If you click the while using the application, so you can see the location permission is granted. If you close the application, double check the setting, info, my location. So you can see the permission allowed is the location. You can try to switch the setting here, change to the don't allow, and then you open the application. So you can see the application, even the permission is not granted, is nothing happened because we haven't completed the code. So we will show you in the next video.